Hi, it's Miss Nancy at Kansas Children's Discovery Center, Discovery at Home. Now, for this activity, you need 3 things. You need a toddler, something to do, and a laundry basket. Now, I've put a few extra things here just because I love to imagine and use what you have. I put some towels out on the floor because it represents the ocean. We're going to go fish. Also, in the laundry basket, beside your lovely toddler, you will find some kitchen utensils. Have your child and you go through the kitchen and pick up things. Hey, what's this for, Mom? I've never seen you use one of these before. Well, have your toddler try them out. Great fine motor control, problem solving. I took a piece of string and tied it to a slotted spoon. I happen to be a fan of magnets. I have no idea where this one came from, but it was floating around my house in my junk drawer. Tied it to the string and it became an instant fishing pole. Now you can check to see which things are magnetized and which things aren't. You might be really surprised at some of the things you find. Oops, it's really strong on that one. It will lift up pipe cleaners. If you don't have pipe cleaners at home, run around the house, see what you can find. Desk drawer maybe with some office clips, paper clips. Check it out. It's a lot of fun. If you don't happen to have a magnet, you can still have lots of fun. Pull out those paddles from your salad bowl and they become instant oars for your rowboat. Now you can make DIY fish out of paper clips or pieces of paper, or you can just kind of try to scoop up toys that he or she has picked out and put them in the boat. It's really great if they have to reach and balance from inside their boat because it's a great sensory input. And again, trying out new tools to see how they work. So start your day off with a little fishing, and I bet your toddler has a wonderful time. This is Nancy for Discovery at Home.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to our friends at Sunflower Health Plan for your generous support of Discovery at